What's up, guys? This is John from Top Thrill Brothers, and I'm on Cyclos. This is my first time ever on one of these types of rides.
Are you ready?
I think so. Let's do it.
Yeah, here we go.
Okay, I've been on Max Air before, Black Widow, a bunch of other ones like that, but I've never been on anything like this. This was built by Zamperla, which is a different company than the one that was upside down and everything. So this has got to be a lot safer. So here we go. Ooh, I'd imagine the G's on this is going to be way better than Max Air because it's smaller. These smaller rides like this definitely pull some G's. Ooh. Oh my God. Ooh, I'm already feeling this. Whoa. Oh my God. This is literally my first ride at Kentucky King. Oh my God, dude, it goes upside down. It goes all the way. Oh my God, holy crap. Wow, look at this upside down view. Oh my God, oh those G's. Holy crap. Wow. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Whoa. Oh my God, what a view! This is amazing! Wow! It's like a giant Max Air that goes upside down. Oh my God! Dude! Woohoo! Here we go! Oh my God! Wow! Dude! What a view! Oh my God! Woohoo! Woohoo! Wow! Oh man! Oh, holy crap! Dude! Oh man! Oh my God! Oh, oh man! I think it's over. I think it's over. I don't know. This ride-off's giving me a smile like he's about to start this thing back up again. Dang. That's Cyclos, Kentucky Kingdom, guys. You gotta get here. Gotta check this out.